In this video, I'll detail how to fix AirPods one side louder than the other. So if you have an AirPod connected to your iPhone, but you discover that the right side is louder than the left, or the left side of the AirPod is louder than the right AirPod, then here, I'm going to show you how to fix this. When your AirPod is louder than each other, this does not mean that the AirPod has a problem. It could mean you messed up with the AirPod settings on your iPhone. So basically here, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix AirPods one side louder than the other. So the first one to do is make sure you pair your AirPods and your iPhone together by opening the AirPods. Then once paired, you should see a pop to confirm that the iPhone is paired. To confirm that the AirPod is paired with your iPhone, then you can go ahead, drop the AirPods, then go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, you need to scroll down until you get to accessibility. Then under accessibility, just scroll down, locate audio and visual under hearing, then click on that. Then once you selected that, this is where you can play around your iPhone audio and visual, as well as how you can easily fix or adjust AirPods one side louder than the other. So scroll down, and here you should see balance. Adjust the audio volume balance between left and right channel. So if you have the volume balance like this is going to make the left AirPods louder than the right. And if you have it here, it's going to make the right AirPod louder than the left. Also, if you have it in between, it's going to make the right louder than the left. And if you have it somewhere around here, it's going to make the left louder than the right. Now, to balance it up or fix the AirPods louder than each other, make sure this is set to middle like this. So make sure it is in the middle. Once you have it in the middle, this is going to balance the audio volume of the AirPods, both the right and then the left AirPod. So once that is done, you can just exit this page on your iPhone. Then this should fix your AirPods one side louder than the other. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.